If you want to make your Gamma presentations cleaner, easier to scan, and more professional, adding bullet points is one of the simplest things you can do. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add bullet points in the Gamma app step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your Gamma project. You can do this from your Gamma dashboard or by opening the deck you're already working on. Once your project is open, look for the text area where you want to add your bullet points. This could be on a slide, a text block, or any section where you want to break information into easy-to-read points. Now, click directly inside the text area. This is important because Gamma needs to know exactly where you want to place the list. Once your cursor is active in the block, start typing your first point. You can write a short phrase or a full sentence, depending on how much detail you want in your list. Next, look at the formatting toolbar. If Gamma shows the bullet list option, click it to convert your text into bullets. In some layouts, the bullet tool may appear as a small list icon, and in others it may be inside a formatting menu. If you see it, select it, and your text will switch into bullet style immediately. After that, press Enter to add the next bullet point. Gamma will create a new line for you, and you can continue typing the next item in your list. Repeat this process for each point you want to include. This makes it very easy to build a clean list without having to manually format each line. Keep going until your list is complete. You can use bullet points for key takeaways, feature lists, steps, benefits, or summaries. That's what makes them so useful inside Gamma, because they help make your content easier to read and much more visually organized. If your text block doesn't automatically turn into bullets, just make sure your cursor is still inside the correct text area and try the bullet list option again from the toolbar. In most cases, once you select the bullet formatting, Gamma will apply it to the whole section or the current line you're working on. And that's really all there is to it. You just opened your Gamma project, clicked into the text area, typed your first point, used the bullet list option, pressed Enter, and continued adding your list. Now your Gamma text block includes clean, professional bullet points that make your content much easier to follow. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Gamma tutorials and other software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.